Hi and welcome to a new guitar lesson. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the guitar that you can hear on the song Eastside by Blanco. It's a really easy song to play where we're going to play only 2 bars and we keep just repeat them. It's in standard tuning, so just tune your guitar and let's begin. As I told you, we're going to learn how to play only 2 bars and they just keep repeating the same bars. So it's going to be a really short lesson. And we start placing the index finger on the 9th fret 5th string. And at the same time, we're going to use, you can choose if you want to use the ring finger or the pinky finger on the 10th fret 2nd string. On the right hand, we play the 5th string with the thumb. And the 2nd string, you can choose which finger works better for you. I use the ring finger. And there we get the first chord. And it's a 2-beat chord, so we count 1, 2. And after that, we are going to move the index finger 2 frets to the 7th fret. And the pinky finger or the ring finger, the one that you're using, we move that only 1 fret. So we come to the 9th fret. And that one is just 1 beat. 1, 2, 1. And then we're going to move that same position until the index finger comes to the 12th fret. And then we have the first bar. After that, we're going to move again the same position to the 5th fret. And that chord is a 2-beat chord again. So when we put together the first measure and the first chord of the second, sounds like this. I'll show you one more time. As you see, it's not so difficult, but it's a little bit fast. We have to move the hand fast. So now let's try to play together that first measure and the first chord of the second measure. 1, 2, 3, and... One more time. 1, 2, 3, and... One last time. 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect, and then we are on the second measure. Once we play that first chord, I remind you that it's a 2-beat chord. We count 1, 2, we play again the same chord, but this time only 1 beat. So we count 1, 2, 1, and then we move the hand to the 7th fret with the same position. So the second measure sounds like this. And after that, we just have to start again. So I'm going to put together the measure 1, 2, and I'm going to end on the first chord of the first measure, as if I want to repeat. I play it one more time, and then we try together. Nice, so now let's try together. Measure 1, 2, and first chord of the first measure. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... And as I told you, we just have to keep repeating those 2 measures. So now let's try to repeat. We play it 2 times and we always end on the first chord. 1, 2, 3, and... Again. Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... And that was Eastside by Blanco. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to get more videos like this one. And if you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter or Instagram. And if you want to download the tabs for the song, remember that if you visit my website, EasyGuitarTube.com, you're going to find all my tutorials and their tabs. Thanks for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.